Hi everyone, good morning. So ngayon nandito tayo sa Hamana. I will give you an update sa gaganaping March 8, 2025 Phase 3 launching na po natin. Tara, pasukin po natin yung Phase 3 area natin. Let's go! Today, we are here at a Phase 3 area. So, kung saan ako nakatayo ngayon, dito sa Nanaya Single Attached, is the part of a Phase 3. So, andito ako sa balcony na ng Nanaya Single Attached. Then, sa background po natin, yan po yung Phase 3 site development. As we see, we have completed the electrical works, plumbing works, also the road works. So, already set na po lahat. And meron tayong mga malalaking cuts dyan, like si Mia na duplex from our previous regular cut. So, nag-upgrade po tayo dyan sa area na yan. And also, dito sa in front ng development ng Phase 3 is more on the Nanaya Single Attached. And also, we have our own gate na malapit po. So, hindi lang po iisa yung gate natin. So, we have a 2-spine road here at Hamana Homes. Then, this is a fully completion ng residential area natin. So, last phase na po tayo. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Just quick, book your reservation now. Book your tripping. Engineer Roel Bisperas from your property guide, Hamana Homes. You want to know more about the details of the Phase 3, so just click button or contact me at 0966-8777-435. See you!